We got that cooking with your motherfucking mama's money.
Why you do that?
We got him back in the club.
Back in the crib again.
Making that
Back in cheese.
mac and roan. Fog it up. Macaroni. Oni Tony. Turn it uppy wuppy. Get that macaroni.
Turn it up.
Looking like Patron. I know that's a drink. Forgive me. I've never drank it before. I'm a good kid.
I ain't seen none of y'all in the group it. He don't even be posting no videos no more.
Terrible, terrible, the way I am, the way I move, the way you go, the way we see, the way we soothe.
What are you doing?
Whoa! I'm gonna get X'd on that video because I just showed my tit. Oh well. They can't stop me, they will never. Never will I, never will you. We are going under whatever we do.
Close. You ain't talk to your view. Anyway, it's been a long night. He ain't posted a video in a good minute. We started cooking up this macaroni. I said, cooking with your mama's money? He said, cooking with your mama's money.
I said part 2.
Part 3.
It's
part 3.
how?
You know I ain't keeping up with your videos.
This is part 2.
I tried to trick him. No, it's part 3.
No, you didn't know.
Didn't know. I thought it was part 3.
This guy, this woman, this she-male right here. Don't take it offensive if I have any she-males in the comments, sorry. But you? Whoa.
Check out, whoa.
That's crazy.
God, crazy. Huh? I got stir mine.
That's filet mignon. That's a steak.
That filet mignon. You see it? Oh, there. You put your mouth.
Filet mignon.
You just stole my stuff, dude.
What?
Right after I said it.
What did you say?
I said filet mignon.
Oh, God.
Oh, God, I did.
I didn't hear you. I'm about to spill my drink.
That was a long.
Did I drink all my drink?
No.
What did you do?
I did not touch you.
I'm finna hit you. I swear to God I didn't drink all my drink.
I didn't drink none of it. You been sitting there gulping down on it. Check out. I almost spilled my drink.
Oh, that's good. Y'all thought I was gonna burp. I don't know how to burp. And that's all my life I don't. You can ask my brother Ian. Ian, do I know how to burp? Have I ever burped before?
No, but your titty's in the way. They can't see me.
So what? This isn't cooking with Ian's money.
You gotta even know how to do it.
It's cooking with your mama's money. Stop doing that on the video. That is not Christ-like.
No, you can put your mouth on that.
I think mine are overdone. I'm almost certain. What did you do? What did you do? What did we do? Why did we do it? Oh my God!
See that? I burned my leg because it hurt.
We don't have a strainer. Oh God, this isn't good. Get out of the way. Remember.
We're in Chef Ramsay's kitchen.
Boiling it. Move. Boiling it.
If you were 30 pounds,
Boiling it.
we would have space in this kitchen. When you're in here.
Maybe if you weren't in here, we would have space in this kitchen.
Ooh, that's a lot of logic. Do that noodle for me.
What?
Do that noodle for me. Tell me if it's ready. I'll have to fight you for that.
Yeah, that's right.
Let me see.
Strainer.
Oh, yeah.
So what you do is you pour it in like this, right?
Need a little bit more time.
Don't you do it like this?
What are you doing, son? Go over
Oh.
the sink. Check out, I ain't trying to burn.
Want me to be y'all's video guy?
No.
Yeah.
No.
No, because you ain't doing the last video.
I wasn't here.
No second chances. Yeah, you were. You came in late. Talking about it's not hot. And then Charlie said, out of all these, I got all the bad ones.
Whoa! Wow!
Did you see that one?
Go check out that video, because that video don't even got that many views.
That's how much butter I put in mine.
You don't got that much views, son.
So you're screwed because you don't have any butter for yours.
Damn. There's butter inside the food.
Woo! Boy, I just ruined the entire video.
What did you do?
Nothing.
Stuck a bird, didn't you?
No.
If you did, well, too bad. I'm not deleting this video
Facts.
for something you did.
Facts.
That's all the way over with.
This is what I did.
Got over it. Where's the butter at, son? I know we got some butter. Oh, yeah, that was in the wrong spot.
No butter, no butter, no butter.
I like a lot of milk in mine, guys.
Gotta redo the video.
Need a strainer.
No, we don't.
I need it. Huh?
What's that landing? Oh my gosh.
I need to hold my strainer. Ian, come hold this.
What's it?
I didn't touch you.
You got all on me.
You wasn't holding it right, son.
Cat. This isn't holding it right on the edges?
Let me get all the water out and then you hold it. That's
Mine's
not,
about done,
that's not
guys.
gonna make any sense.
Last thing to do. Get some mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
You know how to do your strainer.
What?
Anyway.
No, I don't. Mozzarella. And you just like this, just sprinkle it, just like bathe it.
On his neck, Mom.
And then you just stir that in, and that will soon eventually melt. And it'll be stringy and gooey. The way we like it, the Chef Boyardee
Check out
Club.
all the water out there, guy.
You just keep going. It's starting to string. You see this, guys?
You heard it here first.
Well, we're about to be done because it's only at 8 minutes and I don't want to have a 10-minute video, so I'll see you guys eventually.
No, it won't.
Yeah.
He doesn't post.
I do.